Hello friends, this is a crochet Christmas slipper pattern. In this pattern I am using 2.5 mm crochet hook and 3 color of yarns. First make one slip knot and make 5 foundation chains. And join it together with slip stitch. Form a small ring and make 3 chain. Count as a first double crochet stitch and make 14 more double crochet stitch in this circle. This slipper size is suitable for 5 to 6 years. If you want to make big size, then you increase your DC stitch in the first round. In the first round I am making total 15 DC stitch, and in the next second round 2 DC stitch in each stitch, and the third round make only 1 double crochet stitch in each stitch. Do not increase any stitches in third round. Now I am attaching the white color yarn for next round. You go to the any stitch of the previous round and make one single crochet or slip stitch and 2 more single chains. Count as a first. Make 4 chains. First one is 1 DC stitch and 1 chain, then 1 DC stitch, and skip the next 2 stitches and go to the next and make 1 DC, 1 chain, 1 DC in the same stitch. This is a V stitch pattern. You continue the same stitch in this round. I am attaching green color yarn for next round. Go to the between the 2 DC stitch and make 1 DC, 1 chain, 1 DC stitch. Go to the next space, make 1 DC, 1 chain, 1 DC stitch, and you repeat the same pattern, same stitch for 2 5 lines. First you measure your feet size, length, and then you make this pattern. I have completed for 6 rounds the base stitch pattern, and then I am attaching my base color yarn. This is a red color yarn. Make 1 slip stitch, 3 chain, count as a first DC stitch, and make 1 DC stitch in each stitch. Now make 1 DC stitch in the next 30 stitches. You skip the 10 stitches. Here I have total 40 stitches. This is a front part of the slipper. Here you skip the stitches. I have skipped the total 10 stitch and turn the, here you make 3 chain and turn your work and make 1 DC stitch in each stitch of the next 30 stitches. First 3 chain is counted as a first DC stitch. I have completed my length of the slipper and I have taken one craft needle and sew the last heel area. Go to the front side. Now I am finishing this slipper, so I am taking green color yarn and go to the back side and make one slip stitch. Make one single crochet stitch in each stitch. I have completed 2 lines of the single crochet stitch. Thanks for watching my video and do not forget to subscribe my channel, the Crochet World, and please like, share my videos. Thank you.